You'll find about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Like I said, this just the attention to detail on this is amazing. 333 miles, ice cold air, has the jack. Love this color. All the chrome trim bright work is very nice on it. There was a little chip there, and on that body line there's a couple, you can see there's a couple tiny cracks that have we buffed the car and it had got some wax in there. Got a little crack there in the paint. The paint is nice. It's just amazing. This is a true 7-passenger. Got the jump seats back there. And you have a bikini top. Matching spare. Top is new. But mirror-like reflection. So here, same with this body line here. There's a little bit of cracking in the paint there. Will be touched up, but that is we got a little bit of wax in there. We'll get that cleaned up. But you can see the reflection on this. The paint is nice. Underneath that, it's just nut and bolt. You know, underneath looks just like the top. Got the leather interior. That's custom leather interior. Nice stitching. There's your ice cold air conditioning. There's the handle for the winch. Nice sound system. Kicker speakers in the back. So this. All your seat belts, cup holders back there. Just nicely done. 333.8 miles. Does have LED lights underneath. Just a nice ride. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Emergency brake, little Toyota tool bag. Let's turn the air conditioner on. It's got CarPlay and all that good stuff everybody likes. If you'd like to pick up the phone and talk to somebody in person, call 314-346-6039. That's 314-346-6039. My name is Mark. I'll do the best I can to answer any questions you have. If you'd like to fly in person and check this car out, I should say Land Cruiser out, Lambert International, St. Louis International, that is the same airport. Fly in, just forward us your itinerary. More than happy to pick you up, take you to any one of our warehouses, take it out for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure the vehicle's a good fit for you. We welcome third-party inspections. If you have any questions, pick up the phone and call, send us an email if you have any requests, additional video, photos, or whatever you need. We'll do the best we can to accommodate. And all these pictures will be at www.westportautocenter.com. It's an exceptional vehicle. are new. www.westportautocenter.com. Pick up the phone, 314-346-6039. Thanks for watching.